What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a first look at the anticipated 2027 Mercedes-Benz CLE, a luxury coupe that blends sporty performance with flagship-level elegance. Up front, the 2027 Mercedes CLE features a massive upright grille with bold horizontal slats and the iconic Mercedes emblem sitting proudly in the center. The LED headlights are sleek and aggressive, flowing naturally into the sculpted hood lines. Vertical LED daytime running lights on both sides give the CLE a futuristic signature look, especially at night. Moving to the rear, the CLE keeps things elegant but muscular. Slim horizontal LED taillights stretch across the back, giving the car a wide and stable appearance. The smooth trunk line and subtle integrated spoiler add a sporty touch without being too aggressive. Dual exhaust outlets and a sculpted rear bumper hint add serious performance underneath, while a flowing roofline completes that classic coupe silhouette Mercedes is known for. Inside, the 2027 CLE is expected to offer a next-generation luxury cabin. Expect premium leather seats, ambient lighting throughout the interior, and a fully digital dashboard with Mercedes' latest MBUX infotainment system. A large central touchscreen will control navigation, climate, and entertainment, while a digital instrument cluster sits directly behind the steering wheel. Under the hood, the 2027 Mercedes CLE is likely to come with multiple powertrain options. These may include turbocharged petrol engines, mild hybrid technology, and possibly a performance AMG variant for enthusiasts. Power delivery is expected to be smooth but strong, paired with refined automatic transmission and rear-wheel or all-wheel drive options. For pricing, the 2027 Mercedes CLE is expected to start around $55,000 to $65,000, depending on the trim and engine option. Higher trims and performance variants could easily climb beyond $80,000. As for the release date, Mercedes is likely to unveil the CLE in late 2026, with market availability beginning in early to mid-2027.